This may not have been a good idea, guys.
It's Vlogmas Day 7. So I just finished washing my hair and I just, moisturized it and everything, and I kind of twisted it up, threw it in this little bun so I could keep some moisture in. I'm gonna style it later in the week. Well, it is later in the week. It's like midweek. But I'm gonna style it maybe on the weekend in like a crochet style, or I don't know, something. I'm gonna do something. Or maybe make it a bigger bun. Probably gonna make it like a bigger bun tomorrow at work. But this is at least gonna stretch it out and keep some moisture in. So I'm about to go do my nails. Y'all, look at my nails. So I'm just gonna throw on some press-ons because they're super quick. I got these press-ons from Shein. These are super cute. They're like very Christmassy and just festive. These, I think I'm gonna save these for January. They just have some little snowflakes. They're like a neutral color. Super cute. So it's kind of in between these three. I'm thinking, I kind of think I'm gonna go with these today, and then maybe towards Christmas I'll throw these on because we're still a couple weeks away from Christmas. And I'm just gonna use this Kiss nail glue, the gel one. It's a little messed up here, but this one I feel like is the best for keeping my nails on out of the Kiss glues that I have. Now after a minute I realized that those were not the right size. My nails were way too big for those. So I'm going to try out these. is not the normal sausage I get when I make this dish. Normally I use the apple bourbon chicken sausage, but this is all they had. And I went to 2 stores looking for it, but I still could not find it. Now this is looking real light skinned. We need to get some burntness on here. We need to get some charring, you know, some kind of color, get the flavors mixed all together. This is a tomato basil flavor, but hopefully it'll still taste good in there. I feel like the apple bourbon really brings out the flavor of the salad. So normally this is the chickpea mixture that I put in there. It has chickpeas, edamame beans, cranberries, carrots, and bell pepper. And then that apple sausage in there with the cranberry just makes it so, so delicious. And I just get this from Aldi along with the sausage as well. So my belly is all full and I've got meal prep for like the next couple days. My nails are done. Now it's time to do something I've never done in my entire life. Something totally new. I'm gonna tint my brows. So this is what they're looking like, real kind of random. They're alright, they're kind of cute, but we're gonna tint them up. This will actually save me a ton of money, a ton per month. But anyway, let's see. So this is the brow tint I got from Amazon. It's the Parallel Products Luxe Lash and Brow Tint. It's ammonia free and paraben free. I have no idea how to use it, so I'm just gonna open it up. And this is the dark brown color. Oh, is it just a tube? Uh-oh. It's a tube and some instructions plus a QR code. There's that. I definitely need the instructions. Let me see. Y'all, I don't think I have all the pieces. Y'all, I need developer. Oh, why did it not come with this? It did not say anywhere on the box, like there's no instructions on the box. It didn't say, hey, you need to have some developer with this. Like, what? Ooh. I'm wondering if I can use hair dye developer. What do you guys think? I'm about to Google it. It says it's a 3% developer, so I can't use it with the hair developer that I have. I don't think that'll turn out well on my brows. I kind of want to try it, but I don't think it's a good idea. So awkwardly, this vlog is gonna go up late. It's okay, it's fine. But we're gonna try again Friday or Saturday when I can get some developer and we can actually get the tint popping. Okay, so I'm back. I have the developer and the tint. Oh, they already have a thing to open. Oh, okay. Why does it look like somebody started opening this already? That was not me. Why are these always so hard to open? Ew. Ooh. How cute. Let me read the directions. So I grabbed my bowl. I also grabbed a knife for mixing, a brow brush to apply the tint to the brows, some Q-tips for actually cleaning up along my brow line, and then I have my lash tint and my cream developer. So I'm going to put this little top onto the developer. It's like a little application top here, so I won't pour too much out. And then I'm just gonna make sure that's well shaken up. Now, the brow tint. There we go. Oh. Is this supposed to be white? Oh my gosh. I guess it is. Okay. That's probably too much, but now I'm gonna shake this one more time. And it said pour in equal parts. So, oh, that's difficult. Okay, that looks about equal. Now I'm going to mix it. Oh gosh, is that how that's supposed to work? Okay, so to start, I am just going to cleanse my brows with some alcohol. My face is actually totally clean, but still, I just want to be sure. And actually, I probably should have used micellar water. Oopsies, but there's already alcohol on there. Okay, the tint is turning. I think I was supposed to start applying it already, but anywho, let's get started now. Let's see. Ooh.
The brush, y'all do not. This may not have been a good idea, guys. What if my eyebrows get bleached? Oh my gosh, that would be scary. It says to put it on and thoroughly coat the brow. I feel like it's turning a little bit, maybe. Oh god, I messed up.
Can you guys see my brow getting darker? Oh,
this is looking cute so far though. What do you guys think? Is it giving? Is it not?
honestly, I don't know how great of an idea this was. Maybe this wasn't the best idea. Also, maybe I should have gotten black and not brown. Because this is dark brown. Maybe I need like ebony. It has been 10 minutes. This is what the brows are looking like. And it says to wipe away any excess mixture with warm water on a cotton pad. So let me... Okay, so let's wipe it down. Oh, okay, that's cute. Okay, I like that. Wipe the other one. And then it says to use a dry cotton pad to pat it dry. Why does this one look so much prettier? I'm gonna see what we can do to kind of fix this up. Okay, so it kind of looks like something. I didn't do the most amazing job. Let me actually comb it. Let me see. Let's see if I can brush them out and make them look cuter. That's what I should have done when I was doing them. Oh, I should have like brushed it through. But anywho, this is what the brows are looking like. I think I did a pretty good job for it to be my first time tinting my own brows. I think they came out pretty cute. Next time, you know, we'll do a little extra, and I know they'll continue to like fade and maybe look a little better over time. So maybe by like Sunday, Monday, we'll see how they're looking. But definitely be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.